Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan, Rahayu. Hello all friends, here we are from group 2 who will show an educational video entitled Prevention of the Spread of COVID-19 with germas. Okay, before we go into the material, it does not feel good if I have not introduced the member of group 2. Member of group 2 are Shalini Rahmawati, Siti Komaria Tulkivia, Ranti Citra, Novika Yanti, Al-Mujamila. Yes, that's a brief introduction from group 2. How are you friends during this pandemic? I hope you guys stay healthy, safe, and nutritious. Okay, in the video with the topic Prevention of the Spread of COVID-19 with germas. What are the things and what are the tips and tricks to prevent the spread of COVID-19? Of course, you want to know and really want to know. Okay, let's just watch the following video from group 2. Happy watching! Prevention of the spread of COVID-19 with germas. What is this COVID-19? Corona-19 virus is a disease caused by a new viral derivative, CO take from the corona, VI virus and the disease. Previously, by the disease was called 2019 novel coronavirus or 2019 nCoV. The International Committee on Taxonomy of Virus or ICTH gives the name of the cause of COVID-19 as SARS-CoV-2. Symptoms of the COVID-19 virus. Number 1 is fever. Number 2, cough and cold. Number 3, sore throat. Number 4, respiratory disorders. Number 5, tired and lethargic.
Keep exercising during the pandemic to keep your immune strong. Get enough rest so you don't get sick. Prevent contracting COVID-19 with balanced nutritious food such as side dishes, fruit, vegetable, and staple food. Don't forget to wash vegetable and fruit clean. Side dishes are cooked thoroughly and avoid sugar, salt, and excess fat.
Maintaining food safety. Food safety is a form of effort to prevent food from being contaminated by biological, chemical, and other objects that can hurt healthy. That's 1. Cleaning food. The right way to improve food safety is to wash food soap in running water. And 2. Separating food. Raw with food, ripe when stored in the refrigerator, separate raw food from cooked foods. And 3. Storing food. In the fridge, refrigerator temperature should not exceed 4 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, the freezer temperature must be set to 18 degrees Celsius. And the last, cooking food. Cook food at the right temperature and time so that the food lasts longer and maintains nutrition.
How to wear a mask the right way. First, cover your mouth, nose, and chin. Make sure the cord part of the mask is on front. Second, remove the mask that has been used by holding the strap in both ears. Third, change the mask regularly. And lastly, wash your hand with soap after throwing the used mask into the trash. Step of hands washing. First, with hands, rub soap on the palms, then wipe and rub. Second, palms, rub and rub the backs of the hands alternately. Third, rub between the fingers. Fourth, clean the fingertips alternately with interlocking position. The fifth, rub and rotate the second thumb alternately, and finally put the fingertips into the palms of the hand, then rub gently and say with clean water.
Healthcare facility protocol. The first is green category. If you know symptoms of fever, cough, runny nose, etc., there is no history of close contact with a positive case of COVID-19, so don't leave the house unless it's urgent. And the second is yellow category. If negative with symptoms, use mask. Treat symptoms, isolation, independent 14 days. Do a quick test. Have a history of traveling abroad. There is a history of close contact with a positive case COVID-19. And the last is red category. If your temperature more than 39 Celsius, signs of difficult breathing, indication for hospitalization, history of close contact with a positive case of COVID-19, treated at COVID-19 referral hospital.
Thus, the educational video with the theme Prevention of the Spread of COVID-19 with germas from Group 2. Hopefully, from what if conveyed from this video, it can be useful for friends in maintaining and preventing the COVID-19 virus. Okay, let's have the time I, you, and all us stop COVID-19. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.